Tell me what? Nobody.
I've been sipping since I've been 20 on that lean, baby girl. I've been popping, I've been rolling.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know I look busted right now, but we are getting ready for vacation, and y'all know you gotta go the whole week before vacay looking crazy, and then the sleigh soon comes. So forgive me for my appearance. I got this little Lori Harvey inspired bun going on with the baby hairs because I did not need to put any heat in my hair because I'm getting a wig installed. And then we got the little naked mole ratchet going on because my lashes ain't done. And if y'all know me, y'all know my lashes need to stay did because I don't do false lashes. Like, I cannot apply them to save my life. Like, they're always gonna be coming up if I did falsies. So I need to get all of this together. My nails, look at my nails. Like, today is literally Tuesday and I'm leaving Friday morning and I have not done hair, nails, lashes, nothing. So today I'm gonna be going to my lash appointment, which is like in a couple of minutes. So I actually gotta hurry up so I don't be late. And then I have a wax appointment at European Wax Center at 7:30. Don't ask me why I made it so late. Like, I have no idea, but that's what we about to get into. I'm just gonna take y'all throughout this whole journey of how I transitioned from this into the baddie that I'm gonna be on vacay. Okay, so let's go. Morning, guys. So today is, what day is today? I don't even know, but I'm going to get my nails done, and then I'm going to get my hair done today, so I'm excited. I didn't get my lashes done the other day, y'all. I missed my appointment because it was so much traffic, so I'm gonna be getting my lashes done last. I was devastated. Like, I was literally crying. So we're about to go get my nails done. I gotta go drop off this laundry and take my pants to get a zipper extension, and so yeah, we gonna run some errands today. We just left the nail salon. I'm saying we because I got somebody with me. Say hi, Jalen. Oh, it's not even facing you. Say hi. You want to show them your nails? Jalen got some acrylic on her nails. So I'm about to go home now and wash my hair. Am I even going the right way? Yeah, I'm going to go home now, wash my hair so I can get it ready for my wig install, which I'm excited about, because I haven't gotten a wig install in a little minute. So that's what we get into. Oh my god, I look busted, y'all. Like, I literally just got in the house and I took my hat off. As y'all can see, the reason for the hat, I have not done anything to my hair in like the last 2 weeks. I've literally just been washing it and going about my business. So I need to get it together. I'm about to wash it, blow dry it, and just get ready for my girl Abigail to slay me. Like, the hair that I'm getting is a wig, and I don't know if I should do a side part or a center part just yet, but we're gonna see. But it has like the, what's the word, how do you pronounce it? It's like, it looks like highlights, but it's not highlights, and it starts with a B. If y'all know what I'm talking about, comment down below. But it's like that. It has like little blonde and ash blonde and honey blonde and just mad shades of blonde. I'm excited because this ain't it, honey. This ain't it.
Hi.
Say, what's my name? Say,
Juju.
your name is Juju. And what's my name?
Mama.
Do you like mama's hair like this?
Yeah, my hair looks nice.
Your hair looks nice. It always looks nice.
And your hair looks nice too.
It does?
Yeah.
You look so pretty.
You look so pretty.
Aw.
Mine's so pretty too.
You're so handsome. Can I have a kiss? Give me a kiss. I love you. What do you have in your hand? Show them what you have. What is that?
Dinosaurs.
You love dinosaurs, huh?
I can see them.
Juju tells me that I'm pretty even when I look rough. That's the type of man y'all need in y'all life. But don't come for my baby because I'm not with none of that. Right, Juju? Say none of that. None of that. Say no, no, no. Mama don't play.
Mama don't play.
Came through. I love my hair, you guys. Like, ooh, who gonna tell me what? Nobody. I just gotta get my lashes done and I'm gonna be the whole baddie, a whole baddie. Hey guys, I feel so bad. Like, I'm such a bad vlogger. Like, every time I'm vlogging, I'm in the car telling y'all what I'm about to do. I'm about to head to my lash appointment finally. I didn't even tell y'all what happened. So well, if you follow me on Instagram, y'all know what happened. Basically, my lash appointment was supposed to be Wednesday at 5:30, straight off the clock. Like, I had to rush from work to go get my lashes done. It was so much traffic, you guys. Like, I missed my lash appointment. I ended up sitting, like, I had to literally pull over because I was sitting in a car crying because I was that frustrated. But thankfully, my girl Bree, she was just like nice enough to say, you know what, I'll stay back for you on Thursday. She understood that I was traveling, so I'm about to, like, I'm a whole hour early. Like, I'm about to just dip out real quick, try to get my lashes done, and then come home to pack because I didn't do that yet and I leave in the morning. So yeah, that's what we about to do. So just finished getting my lashes done. Obviously I couldn't record me getting my lashes done because my eyes was closed, but how do they look? I love them. Bree always finesses my lashes. I'm really so tired. It is like 12 o'clock right now and I haven't even started packing it. I'm like still trying to organize everything. My job said I was going to come straight home and pack. Didn't do it. I kind of did make a little progress though. Like, I did kind of organize everything. So let me show y'all. I have like my toiletries and stuff here, my camera stuff here, and then these are like the shoes, my clothes is in that bag, and then the empty suitcase is over there. So yeah, our flight leaves at 9:30. No, we board at 9:30, but we leave at like 10 something. But this is like a every vacation thing. Like, I don't pack till the night before and it's so frustrating. But yeah, so that's what we're going to do. My hair is still, even though my curls out, my hair is still giving what it needs to give. And my lashes, shout out to Bree. And my lashes, they look absolutely bomb. gonna wrap this whole get ready for vacation with me thing up now. Next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be living it up in Mexico, having a good time because it's very much deserved. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video really, really soon. Bye guys.